Hello friends, today we are discussing about the Ashok Leyland Limited, how the company is fundamentally and technically how it is working. If you want to invest in long-term basis, the fundamental analysis is very important. If you want to do day trading or weekly trading, or some of the days it is a short-term level trading, you can see the technically. But if you want to go for long time, you want to invest in long term, you have to see the fundamentally company should strong. So we are now going to analyze about the Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland, you can see here. About Ashok Leyland is the flagship company of the Hinduja Group, having a long-standing presence in the domestic medium and heavy commercial vehicle. We see the heavy commercial vehicle, whatever that is from Ashok Leyland segment. The company has strong brand as well as diversified distribution and service network across the country and has a presence in 50 countries. It is one of the most fully integrated manufacturing company. It is the headquarter in Chennai. So it is in manufacturing sector, and the headquarter is in Chennai. The managed driver training institute across India and have trained over 8 lakh drivers since inceptions. So we know the buses, trucks, Ashok Leyland, their manufacturing is only there. So let us see about this is ashokleyland.com is their website. If you can click there, you can go with their website and you can check whatever the details. So market cap 36,782 crore. Current price 125, high 143, low 65.3. Stock P they didn't give. Book value 26.8. Dividend yield 0.48. ROCE 5.62. ROE minus 2.11. Face value 1. PAG ratio they didn't give. Stock P also my PT is down. So we can see here this is the sales margin for maximum. It is increased, it is up down up down. But if you have the confidence in the company, you can invest. It is not like that you have to see the same and you can go. We can see here for the price for 5 years. We will go with the 1 year. It is increasing. It is one level increasing only. We can see here down to up. This is the highest 134.55, which is 3rd Feb 21. And as per the yesterday data, we can see here 125.30, volume 3920, 39201K. We'll see the P ratio. It is totally down. For 5 years, 3 years, we can see here 1 year. It is in this way. So we'll go with the sales margins. We can see the maximum fires. It is like increasing some level. It is down, up down, up down. We can see here the volume, gross profit margin, operating profit margin, net profit margin. Net profit margin, it is in negative. Sales 4087.89 as per 30th June. Gross profit margin 41.63. Operating profit margin 8.22. So let us see the pros and cons. Pros, company is expecting to give good quarter. So they are expected to give good quarter. Cons, stock is trading 4.68 times its book value. It is trading higher than book value. Company has low interest coverage ratio. It has low interest coverage ratio. The company has delivered a poor sales growth minus 1.76 for past 5 years. So they didn't give the proper growth. It is in negative. Company has a low return on equity of 0.21% for last 3 years. Company has low return on equity. So they given low return on equity. Debtor days have increased from 37.19 to 56.68. They have to give the debtors whatever the liabilities are there. They have to do. It is also increased, which is not good. Peer comparison, we can do peer comparison of this company to Tata Motors DVR. So for Force Motors, so we can do peer comparison. But as we see the buses and all, we have Ashok Leyland only. So quarterly result we can see the last compared to March June, it is reduced. Operating profit also reduced. Net profit, it is in negative. Earning per share, so it is in negative, which is not good. Profit and loss account, we can see the net profit minus 30, more than last year. It is good because last this is March 21, this is TTM, trailing 12 months. So it is minus 165, it is in negative minus 30 TTM. So not that. Dividend payout ratio minus 107. So fundamentally it is not that level, we have to wait and see. Component sales growth, for it is TTM 31%, all in negative. Compounding profit growth, TTM 64%. Stock price CAGR, 10 years 17%, 5 years 8%, 3 years minus 1%, 1 year 85%. Return on equity, we can see last year minus 2%, it is in negative. Balance sheet, we have assets and liabilities 42,069. Cash flow, it is in negative minus 707. Ratios, data ratios increased. ROC, return on capital employed 6%, it is decreased. Now shareholding pattern, we can see promoters March 21, June 21, 51.54, same. It is FIIS, it is reduced 17.04. DII also, it is DI increased. Government same. Public bit reduced 13.58, 13.20. Documents you can see here. Let us see the technical analysis. Technical analysis, we can see this is I kept for I think it is for 45 minutes. We can see I have applied RSI and MACD. If you see technically, RSI is 67.78. So relative strength index is like the strength is reduced because more than 60, I don't go that level. Fast moving will be slow. MACD, it is showing as it will go high. Let us see what will happen in Monday. But intraday you can trade intraday within 1 week. You can earn the profit, but fundamentally we have to think if we are going for long term. For intraday it is fine. So based on me, don't invest. You can analyze yourself and you can invest. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, keep your message in comment box or any suggestions. Thank you guys. Bye bye.